IBPS releases RRB clerk prelims admit cards for 2025 exam. SSC gives final slot selection chance for Delhi Police and CAPF aspirants. Meghalaya CM releases rupees 130 crore scholarship for 70,000 students. New UK partnership aims to boost support. Transparency for Indian students. US colleges face nearly $1 billion loss as new international enrollment drops in 2025. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the IBPS has released the RRB Clerk Preliminary Exam Admit Cards for 2025 for Office Assistant post on its official website. Issued under the 14th IBPS RRB recruitment cycle, the hall tickets will remain available until December 14, 2025. The preliminary exam is scheduled for December 6, 7, 13 and 14. The admit card includes key details such as exam date, reporting time, venue, personal information, photographs, signature and exam day guidelines. Candidates must verify all the information and report discrepancies immediately. The selection process includes a qualifying preliminary examination followed by a mains examination which determines the final merit. Shortlisted candidates from the mains proceed directly to document verification as no interview is required. The SSC has offered a final one-time opportunity for Delhi Police and CAPF exam 2025 aspirants who missed the earlier self-slot selection window. Candidates can choose their preferred exam city through the feedback module on the official website until 11 a.m. on December 4. This option is only for those who did not complete slot selection before the November 21 deadline. The SSC has warned that the candidates who skip this final chance will not receive the admit card or be allowed to appear for the exam. The SSC CPO 2025 exam will be held from December 9 to 12 to fill 5,308 vacancies conducted across 4 stages. SSC also released the tentative 7,948 vacancies for MTS and Havaldar post across CBIC and CBN for the 2025 cycle. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has released the second final installment of the Umbrella Post Metric Scholarship worth rupees 130 crore for nearly 70,000 students of the 2024-25 academic year. The state is funding the full amount in advance as the central fund are still pending, aiming to erase the student hardships. A new mechanism now allows earlier disbursement once funds reach Meghalaya Rural Bank, and students are urged to link their Aadhaar card with their bank accounts. Sangma reaffirmed education as a priority and said reforms for ad hoc and SSA teachers may roll out next financial year. Virtually joined by thousands, he highlighted long-term youth-centric program and developmental roadmap extending to 2047. A major new partnership between National Indian Students and Alumni Union UK and International Consultant for Education and FAIR is set to improve outcomes for Indian students studying in the UK. Announced in London, the collaboration aims to ensure ethical recruitment, stronger transparency and accurate guidance from the first inquiry of graduation. With over 1 million Indian students studying abroad, mostly relying on agents, the initiative seeks to counter misleading practices by setting clearer standards. The partnership will focus on ethical recruitment, shared guidelines for students and institutions, and joint research to inform policy. NISAU also introduced the world's first student-centered agent for the year award in debuting February 2026 to recognize integrity in transparency in students' recruitment. New international student enrollment in US colleges fell by 17% in fall 2025, triggering an estimated $1 billion economical loss. According to data from the US State Department, IIE, NAFSA and Implan, visa restrictions and policy uncertainty under the Trump administration are cited as a key reason for the decline. International students who contributed nearly $55 billion to the US economy in 2024-2025 support thousands of jobs and often pay full tuition fees, funding institutional programs and and scholarship for domestic students. Before the visa policy pause, the US hosted 1.2 million international students, mainly from India and China. Experts warn the shrinking talent pipelines threaten long-term higher education stability, campus diversity, and local economies, making the sharpest downturn in since post-pandemic years.